Okay, question number 1 is from Marie. Hi, Marie. Ang question is, ano po yung cover ng sponsorship? Cover po ba ang review, NCLEX at IELTS? I think it's question for Sir Nino.
Yes. So, yes, we are going to cover the review and exam of your NCLEX and review and exam of your English language test. So, as I mentioned a while ago, do not take your English language test yet because it varies kung saang state ka, kung anong state yung mapipili mo na.
Yes. At saka especially, Sir Nino, di ba yung IELTS merong may
Nag-e-expire
ng
for
2 years.
2
So, mas maganda pag NCLEX muna ang uunahin natin. Then, pagka okay na, so, si Visa Solutions Healthcare mismo ang nagbubuk sa kanila for the IELTS exam. O, di ba, exciting?